Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. How are you all?
I am fine, thank you.
Yes.
And today is my birthday.
Today is Rishan's birthday. Happy birthday, Rishan. Many more happy returns of the day, my dear. God bless you. All of you wish Rishan.
Yes.
Say happy birthday to him.
Happy birthday.
What happened? It's too difficult to say happy birthday or what? Huh? Evangeline, Devananda, Aaron, did you all wish? Okay, many more happy returns of the day, Rishan. Did you cut the cake? No, in the evening, no? After the class. After the periods will be over, he will be cutting the cake, isn't it, Rishan? Okay, celebrate nicely. Good, God bless you, my dear. Okay, children, so are you all ready with your workbook today? Yes, the notes. Very good. Shivada and Siddhesh has completed the notes. That day itself we have completed, right? Yes. Today I have sent the notes, children. Today I have sent the notes to now only I had sent after my first period. So complete it today. Okay. Now we will move to our workbook problems. Somebody is going on talking. Some little child is going on talking. Please mute.
Activity.
Activity on 28th. Because I don't have the paper for giving the marks. When I will get the list, no? On 28th, I will get the list and you have to be ready with your activity papers on 28th. I'll put the marks there itself. Otherwise, I'll forget. If you will show me now, I don't have the paper for putting the marks, then I will forget afterwards. Okay. Okay, Archa has done. Nivya has done. Good. Okay, children. So all of you take maths workbook part 2, page number 92. First page. First page of data handling. I'm going to share the board. Page number 92. Page number 92. This is the first page. I'm muting everybody. Let us start with the birthday boy. Rishan.
Ma'am.
Yes. The number of students who like different colors is given in the table. A table is drawn over there. The colors is written. The number of students is also written. Read the table and answer the following questions. Okay. None of that, the questions are written. Now, the first one. How many students like a red color?
7.
7. Good. Which is the option? Correct option is
C.
C. Good. Good, Rishan. So put a tick mark on C. Write C in the bracket. Yes. Now, second one. Which color is liked by most of the students? Most means more students. Which color is liked by most of the students? Elanvia.
Yellow.
Yellow. Correct option is?
Option B.
Option B. Put a tick mark on B. Write B in the bracket. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, next one. How many students like green color? Evangeline.
Yes, ma'am. 6. Option A.
Option A. Green color is liked by 6 students. Good. Put a tick mark on A. Write A in the bracket. Now, question number 4. Archa. Which of the following represents tally marks for the number 5? Option C. Good. Option C. Put a tick mark on C. Write C here. Number 5. The first one, there are 3. In the second one, there are 4 lines. In the fourth D, there are only 2. So it is asked about 5. And if the 5 lines are represented like this, it is wrong. The 5th line should always be slant. So it's over. Now page number 93. Which of the following represents tally marks for the number 2? Akshay?
Ma'am, option B.
Option
B.
B. This one is the representation. The lines are 2. But which line should be slant? Whether second line should be slant?
Yes.
Okay, he is saying that this one is correct. Let me ask to somebody else too. Devananda? Akshay told me that this B is correct. Is it correct? What he told? I cannot hear. Net audio problem. Harren? Is option D. Option D is correct. Which line should be slanting? Whether second line should be slant?
No.
No. Which line should be slant? First, second, third,
5.
fourth, fifth, sixth. Which line should be slant? Fifth. Good. Yes. Good, Harren. This is wrong. The second line should not be slant. Now only I told the 5th line should be slant. Only the 5th line has to be slant. All other lines should be vertical. So D is the correct option. I don't know if it is asked about 5 and 2 options are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is option A and this one is option B. Then you should not put a tick mark on A because this representation is wrong. The 5th line is also vertical. Always the 5th line should be slant. So D. Now moving to 6th. What is the number for tally mark? The tally marks are written and you have to tell me what is the number for it. Anushka, question number 6. Unmute. 6th one, which is the correct option? Four. Okay, audio problem, I cannot hear. I cannot hear her sound, but some of the noise I can hear from her side. Okay, anyway, I think so she told D. D is the correct option. 4. Now 7th one. The data given can be arranged in the form of a dash. The data will be given. The names, the items will be given. How you will arrange it? In what you will arrange? You have to arrange somewhere, isn't it? What you will do first for doing the arrangement? Nivya.
Yes, ma'am.
The data given can be arranged in the form of a
Table.
table. Good. The data given can be arranged in the form of a table, or else you can write data table. Data table or table, both are correct. It should be arranged in the form of a data table. Good. Now, 8th one. Sri Bala.
Yes, ma'am.
We can represent items by drawing dash lines. We can represent items by drawing. What kind of line is drawn for the tally marks? Vertical, horizontal, straight, line segment. What is drawn? Stephania. We can represent items by drawing dash lines. Ameya?
Ma'am, you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear Ameya.
Yes, ma'am.
We can represent items by drawing dash lines. We have discussed many times in the class. What kind of line? Whether it is vertical, horizontal, slant, line segment, ray. What is the name of that line? Brinda?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of line is vertical line? Good, Brinda. Good. We can represent items by drawing vertical lines. Good, Brinda. A dash is a vertical line drawn to denote the number of items. Shivada.
Yes, ma'am.
A dash is a vertical line drawn to denote the number of items. Tally mark. Good. A tally mark is a vertical line drawn to denote the number of items. Good. Sidesh. What is written in the first column of a data table?
Items.
Items. Good. Items. In the 3 columns should be there for a data table. The first one is for items. The second one, what is drawn in the second column? Sri Bala's Ameya's turn is over. They did not able to answer. Anushka's turn is over. Stephania's turn is over. Vinayak. What is drawn in the second column of a data table? First one is for item. In the second one, what we will draw?
Tally marks.
Tally marks. Good. In the first column, we will write the name of the items. In the second column, we will draw the tally marks. What is written in the third column? Dia. Third column is for?
Count.
Yes. Count of?
Count of numbers.
Count of what?
Count of. Count of the.
What is drawn in the second column?
Tally marks.
So we will count the?
Tally marks.
Yes, count of tally marks. Good. So in the third column, we will count the tally marks. Count of tally marks. Or else numbers. It can also be called as numbers. Count of tally marks or numbers. Now moving to the next one. Question number 13. Complete the given table by writing the numbers. The colors are given, the tally marks are also given. You have to just count it and you have to write the numbers over there. 13th one, do it. 14th one, the subjects are given, the mark is also given. You have to just put the tally marks. So 13 and 14, do it now. The absentees are Aman, Ashik, Abel, Azak Riswin, Danush, Harshika, Joanna, Leon, Mohammad Rayan M.O., Sadhik. Okay, then question number 13. Prithvin Dev. 13th one. For the red color, how many tally marks are there?
3.
3. For blue?
2.
Blue, the next one.
6.
6. Abir, what happened, Abir? Is it 6? Prithvin? How much is this? Huh?
4.
4. What about the slant line? What is the slant line for? Just for the beauty. Is it? Ryan MU? How much tally marks are there in the blue?
Ma'am, 7.
7. This is for 5. How many times today also I told the 5th line should be slant. Then why you are not counting it, Prithvin? 5 plus 2, 7. Ryan, black.
Ma'am, black 4.
4. Okay. Good. Now, Rayan and Mo. For yellow, how many tally marks are there for yellow? Just count the lines and tell me. Mo. If you will not say this answer, I will be asking some other questions, tough ones. Here you have to just count the lines and you have to tell me how much is there, how many lines are there. If you will not unmute and if you will not say, I will ask some other question to you. Okay, he doesn't want to answer. I cannot do anything. I have given many. Sabika, are you there? Always your video will be off. What is the reason? Sabika, are you there? You are joining and you are going somewhere. Is it? Maria, how many tally marks are there for the yellow? Fast. Maria, did you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
How many tally marks are there for the yellow?
4.
For the yellow? Only four are there. How much is this one?
4.
Mute. Jeroen. How many tally marks are there for the yellow?
8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much? What is the number of lines over here inside the circle? How many lines are there?
4.
Hey boy, what about this slant line? Who will count that slant line?
4.
And what about the slant one? Including that, only 4 are there.
Yes.
I think so. They don't know how to count. Rayan?
Yes, ma'am.
How many lines are there for the yellow?
5.
Total, how many are there?
9.
9. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now moving to the next one. The numbers are given, the subjects are also given. You have to just put the tally marks. Angelica, for maths, how you will put the tally marks? How many slant and how many vertical lines will be there?
4. Standing.
Yes, 4
line.
vertical lines.
4
Then fifth one will be?
Standing.
Fifth one will be slant.
Slant.
Yes, slant, S-L-A-N-T, slant. Then?
And then 3 vertical.
3 vertical again after 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. Now for English, it is 4. So put 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. Next one is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth should be slant, and the sixth should be after giving a distance. The next one is 3. Just draw 3 vertical lines. Now moving to the other page, 15. To make flowers, Neha used different colored ribbons, which are as follows. The colors are given. The question is, how many ribbons of each color did Neha use? Represent the data in the form of a table using tally marks. So you have to form a data table with 3 columns. First 4 items, second one for tally marks, and the third one for count of tally marks, the numbers. Count the lines and write it over there in the last one. 16th is our homework. First one for colors, items, second one for tally marks, and the third column for writing the heading. Advaites,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the headings to be written here?
Items,
Items,
tally mark,
tally marks,
and the number.
yes, numbers. Good. Okay, good dear. Yadav, how many different colors are there in the items column? What are the colors to be written?
Red,
Okay, red.
yellow,
1 second.
pink,
Okay, red, yellow,
pink,
pink, yes,
orange.
orange. Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Do.
Heading columns.
Sixteen is our homework. The same thing has to be done. 3 columns has to be made up for items, tally marks, and numbers. The absentees are Aman, Ashik, Azak, Riswin, Harshika, Joanna, Leon. Evangeline, did you finish? Okay, good. Anybody else? Okay, here, first color is red. So put a tally mark here. Then yellow, first line. Then red, second line. Pink, orange, then yellow, then red, then again red, fourth line. Then orange, second line, pink, then again yellow, then orange, then pink, third line, then red, fifth line. 4 is already over, that is fifth one. So it should be slant. Then yellow, fourth line, then again red, leave some space and draw the line. It's orange, next one, fourth line, pink, fourth line, orange, fifth line, slant, then pink, slant line, fifth line, yellow, fifth line will also always be slanting. Then red, pink, yellow, pink again. "16" is our homework for you. Got? Do by yourself, Vedika. Do by yourself. The thing is there, no? Try to do. Don't look at the board. Everything should not be copied. Do it by yourself. Who has completed? Okay, whether you got these numbers? 7, 6, 8, and 5? Yes, okay, good. The order can be different. It's not compulsory to write the items in the same order. 7, 6, 8, and 5. Red 7, yellow 6, pink 8, and orange 5. Now 16th is our homework, and we are moving to 17th one. I'll just show you 17. The marks obtained by Aryan in a surprise test are as follows. The maths 18, science 15. The mark is given, the subjects are given. You have to represent the data in it using tally marks. So again, you have to make the table. Then how many subjects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the first thing, either you can write subjects as the heading, or else items. Second one, no changes, it will be tally marks always. Third one, it can be numbers or mark. Now, the subjects are, you can change the order if you want. I am writing as maths, science, then English, then Hindi, social studies. Then what you have to do is you have to write the marks. For maths, he got 18. For science, he got 15. English, 14. Hindi, 9. Social, 12. Now the tally marks is to be drawn for 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth is slanting. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 will be slanting. Then 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 will be slanting. Then 16, 17, 18. 3 lines. Then for the next one, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth will be slanting. 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 will be slanting. 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 will be slanting. Fifth line will be slant. 10th will be slant according to the 5's table. 5, 10, 15, 20. It will go in that way. And 18 is a homework for you. The other questions we will do in the class. 22 till 22. So for the 17th one, make 3 columns. The marks are written. The middle portion, the tally marks has to be done from your side. Okay, the time is up. Children, try to do by yourself. Okay. We'll meet in the next class. In the next class also, you have to be ready with your workbook. Thank you, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.